Hey guys, welcome back to Broke People's Guide. Today I'm gonna make tilapia super easy and fast. So I usually just do a light little, whatever you call it, wet it. I don't know why. I don't know if I need to, but I do. Put a little bit of salt. A little bit of adobo, and then my sazon. This is what really gives the flavor. It's kind of hard to clean sazon off your fingers, so I try not to touch it.
Where's your jacket?
What jacket?
Your black one that you use at work.
I think I left it in the car.
But I need it. Can I go get it? Quick.
Yeah, put your shoes on.
Okay.
And then you eat a ding dong. So now, Eli? Oh! Yummy!
I have chicken. Look at this. So
Look at
big. Ow.
It's smelling good, bruh. Sometimes I like to just cut it up in little pieces. I always remember something my sister told me a long time ago. I asked her, how do you know when it's ready? And she said, when it looks like you would eat it. So I always think that. It's not ready right now. This fish is almost done, I think. So that's it. We're done. Yummy.
I ate one too.
And you liked it? Thank you for watching. That was super easy. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Oh.
I looked at the camera. What?